Hello everybody from Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. Today we're going to a water park. I say we as we have my buddy Tanner, the actual fish. What's up, Mr. Fish? Are you excited? Are you gonna go down some water slides?
Yeah.
Whoa. So he just recently got really into water slides and everything. I thought what a better way than take him to Typhoon Lagoon. Big giant wave pool, slides.
Oh, is it that?
There's a big wave pool, yeah. Are you excited? All right, let's go. Now this is my first time and of course his first time here. We've never been here before, so we have no idea what to expect. Are you excited though?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go down those big slides?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, that's a good start to the day. So we're gonna find ourselves a chair. We brought our own towels.
Yeah.
And some drink, like some Gatorades and stuff. So we'll get sunscreened up and get started. Look at the size of that wave. Oh my gosh. That's cool. There's a lot of beach chairs, plenty to choose from. We chose this spot right here because this is the pathway to all the water slides and all the other stuff.
This is not safe.
That's not sand, that's concrete, sir. So we're gonna go over to the GoPros now and get started. Let's have some fun. You ready? Yeah, he's ready. All right, Mr. Tanner, are you ready to get rolled in one of these waves? Yeah? This is a pretty... You do want to do some slides?
I want to go down.
That's a kiddie slide. You got to do some big stuff, bud. Come on. Woo! Currents are heavy. Check it out. Look at that. Strong waves occur. What's up, dude? This is nice. The water temperature is perfect, isn't it? All right, here we go. Whoa! That is so cool. All right, it's coming at us fast. Is that fun? That was so cool. Oh my gosh. Tanner, what do you think of the wave pool?
Okay.
Yeah, pretty intense? Yeah, so we're gonna do Key Hall Falls. It says it's a 5-minute wait, so not bad. And it'll be your first water experience, right?
Yeah.
It hasn't done much more besides wave pools and stuff, so it should be pretty interesting.
Hold on to a handle, okay? There you go.
Alright, next one, Gangplank Falls. This one, me and Tanner can ride in the same one at the same time. On that side. Okay, Tanner said he wants to do the storm slide. Here we go. All right, this is good. Whoa! Yeah. How was that, Tanner?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay?
It's okay.
Yeah. So we're just kind of walking around trying to see if we missed any other water slides. There's more water slides we had to do over there, but he really wants to go back on the floaty ones.
Yeah, those ones are fun.
Yeah? Oh, and this place is awesome. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look out! Tanner, look at that! What's up, dude? Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Yeah, it's dark in here. Oh, yeah! Whoa! That was cool! Whoa! Is this awesome? What do you think of that, mister? Oh, he was so scared. So scared. And now he said, how many more times now? 50 more times, that's what I thought. Miss Adventure Falls. We're going on Crushin' and Gusher with Tanner. Are you excited? So we got a Disney cruise coming up real soon, and he wants to get ready. So when we go on the Disney Wish, it's not the Aqueduct anymore.
What is it?
On the Disney Wish, it's another one.
Oh.
Yeah, but don't worry, we'll go back on the Aqueduct in the future. So here we go. Ooh, this looks so cool. It's a water roller coaster. Taking a little hydration break, yeah? How's it been?
Good.
Good. How was the water roller coaster?
Okay.
Yeah? Was it a little scary? Yeah, but did you have fun? It was pretty cool. So he's really excited about the Aqua Mouse when we go on the Disney Wish next month. Are you excited to ride that? Definitely time for a break. Get some food?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
We're gonna hydrate also as well. He wants to go ride the water roller coasters again.
Yeah.
So it's a great time. I heard some cast members or people who work here talk about Blizzard Beach opening up later this year.
Blizzard Beach?
That's the other water park. The one I was telling you about?
No, I don't.
With the ski lift that takes you up?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so get some food. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Good. I normally wouldn't get a milkshake at a water park, but banana pudding milkshake is calling me. We brought our own drinks, but another good tip is $11.99 one-day cup is unlimited refills all day, and if you bring it back, $8.50. So definitely gonna do that next time. Tanner got the cheese flatbread, and I got the Angus burger. So here is that banana pudding. Oh, the thing looks amazing. This is the pizza. Look at the pizza, dude. That's big. And then this is my burger. I got it plain, but I got barbecue sauce. Plain eater. I'm really excited about this. It's like you're eating or drinking banana pudding. Like, is it good? He was like, ew, that looks so gross. And now he's, hey, I ordered this for me. Look at him. I'll have to get him.
Share.
Okay, we'll share, but recommend. Oh
So
my god,
good.
if you love banana pudding,
Try this.
that's good. Yeah. All right, we're gonna eat now because that's just so good. Yeah, because we are hungry. We're letting the food settle on our stomachs for a minute. So we're over here looking at the map. Currently, we're right there. We're just making sure that we covered all the major water rides. And if Tanner, what's that whole area over there? Oh, I think that's the kid play area, yeah. All right. He wants to go back on the water roller coaster again. Oh, and then the 3 tubes that drop straight down. We haven't done those. That's the only thing. I don't know if you're ready for those. Now we're going to go to the gift shop because we got to know what kind of merch they got. Beach umbrella with Mickey's on it. Yeah, look at that. Mickey right there. How much is that, Tanner? Okay, the price is $62.99. $9.99 for the Typhoon Lagoon Stitch, and then $9.99 for the Blizzard Beach Sandcastle kit. Comes with a shovel inside, and $9.99, so you can make your own Cinderella castle. This thing's called Bog. It looks like a croc, like the Croc shoes, but it's good for like sand, and you can see it's got some clear plastic semi-waterproof housing there. It is $99, but this thing is massive. It's got tread on the bottom. $9.99 for a Nemo pail with shovel. Great selection of beach towels here. You got, of course, Stormtrooper, Walt, 1928. You got the Typhoon Lagoon beach towel. They're all $29.99. Epcot, the monorail. Just talked to one of the cast members inside about the beach towel situation because they're not complimentary. You do have to rent them. They are $2, but
Like
if you are staying at a resort, if you're staying at a resort though, they're complimentary. I decided to get the Typhoon Lagoon pin because obviously this is my first time here, and then my drink. They sell Monster here, so that's pretty great. Well, we got about 2 hours left. It's 3 o'clock now before the park closes. So we're gonna put the cameras away and we're just gonna have fun with ourselves. And then we'll see you guys when the day is over. Well, everyone, we are wrapping it up here. We just went out the exit. How was it, Tanner?
Good.
What was your favorite part? Everything? My favorite part was just how much fun he had. Like, I was so worried because some of the water slides, you know, they're pretty intense, but he took it on and he was like, I'm gonna do it. Were you pretty excited about it though?
Yeah.
He's sad, he doesn't want to go home.
I did every water slide.
Yeah, you did.
I
And
would have did that one, the only one.
the one with straight down tubes?
I would have done it, but you just didn't want me to.
I didn't want to scare him and then like not. They're speed slides, right? So they just come out and you drop straight down. And I just didn't want to get him scared yet. You know, he's going to build himself up to it. Definitely when we go to Blizzard Beach and there's other water parks we're going to do. So.
In the future.
Huh?
In the future.
In the future, yes. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. We had a lot of fun.
I wish we could do surfing.
He's so tired now. They just had 13 people. I just heard the cast member say that they had 13 guests coming in for surf lessons. They do surf lessons in that. That's how big the waves are.
That's because for the surfing.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be at another water park hopefully very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.